Hey guys, how's it going? So, Dodge CEO said, "We are not building electric cars. What we are building is electric muscle cars." This is great. I know some people are gonna go, they're killing, they're gonna kill a SRT is, they're gonna kill off SRT, or the demon is gonna be canceled. Maybe, maybe not. But, but, if the, let me just say this. You can get a 9-second quarter from a Tesla. So, an electric so think of this. A, a stock-bodied, brand new Challenger without a cage, running 9 seconds. So, yeah. Anywho, so maybe SRT will still be going. Who knows? Who knows? But it's gonna be pretty cool. Whatever it is. Um, so, and maybe the demon will be an electric. Maybe they'll keep the demon around and it'll be an electric. It'll be the electric demon, or the red eye will still be around. Who knows? Time will tell. And I know people will be apprehensive. Oh, apprehensive about it. But, and I know this is kind of different for some of us, some of our, than some of our other videos. But I think it's really cool, and hey, electric cars are the future for everyday cars. We can still have our hot rod, still have hot rods, and who knows? I've been thinking for a while that electric swaps will be really popular in the next couple of years. So but time will tell. So, and I know, like I said, some people will like it, some people will be on the fence about it, and some people will really hate it. And so, but take it this way: when the original muscle car era happened, when the original muscle car era was going on, there was 32 Ford guys that were not happy about muscle cars. So, it's the same thing. So, yeah. We'll see you later, guys. For About 2 Connects. Over. See you later.